I'm Dr. Michael Miyasaki. I'm a general dentist and I've been in practice for over 30 years. When I was in dental school, we learned to place amalgam restorations using a Tafelmeyer matrix. About 25 years ago, composite became my direct restorative material of choice. I changed my material, but I kept using the Tafelmeyer matrix. Little did I know that that combination would create many challenges. A few years later, I learned how to use a sectional matrix system. That solved many of the problems. And over the years, the sectional matrix systems have become better and better, helping us to do better restorations more predictably. I'm excited today to introduce you to the DualForce Sectional Matrix System from Clinician's Choice, a product designed to help clinicians do better dentistry. The DualForce Sectional Matrix System is engineered for more than just tight contacts by offering superior strength, stability, and natural contours. Let me show you why it's time you experience a DualForce difference. The DualForce Matrix System includes everything you need: rings, active wedges, matrix bands, punch pliers, and forceps. The DualForce Matrix Band features a tab for easy placement and a curved marginal ridge for an ideal proximal contour for all Class II restorations. Available in 3 sizes, 4.5, 5.5, and 6.5 millimeters, these stainless steel 0.015 inch thick matrix bands are clinically superior. Using the DualForce punch pliers, simply grip the tab of the matrix band for easy placement. Once the matrix band is placed, release the punch pliers and adapt the matrix band towards the tooth on the buccal lingual sides. Then fold back the placement tab so it is out of the way and affords you maximum visibility for the restorative material placement. DualForce active wedges are truly unique. A strong internal spine provides 2 pounds of separation force, a tip that collapses during insertion for easy placement and expands once seated, and an ideal contour that seals the matrix tooth interface. DualForce active wedges can be easily placed with cotton pliers. To place a DualForce active wedge, insert in a suture-like fashion and fully seat the wedge. You will notice that the tip reopens once placed, regaining its full contour and sealing the matrix band. The DualForce system also includes deep seal wedges for deep Class II restorations, with an extra bubble to ensure the matrix band is sealed properly at the base of the proximal box. DualForce rings have dual nickel titanium wires that provide more separation force, yet are easier to open. These concentric rings are much stronger than other rings and feature 4 independent interproximal separating prongs, non-stick plastic, and integrated forceps slots. Using the forceps included in the complete kit, place the DualForce ring over the top of the active wedge and you notice it sits at a 20-degree angle. This angle allows you to clear rubber dam clamps as well as the adjacent teeth. Once the adhesive and composite is placed and cured, use cotton pliers to remove the active wedge, and then the DualForce forceps to remove the ring. Using the punch pliers, you can punch a hole anywhere you desire on the DualForce matrix band for easy and secure removal. The DualForce system from Clinician's Choice is engineered to create natural shape, tight contacts, and is designed to solve many of today's clinical challenges. This system is available in a complete kit, starter kit, and for individual refills of rings, matrix bands, and active wedges.